Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this glowy summer look. I feel like you guys are going to love this video. This is kind of what I wear when I don't feel like doing a full face, like a full glam. Even though I do, it does look like I have a lot of makeup on. I kind of really don't, but you guys will see throughout the video what products I use. But yeah, you guys would be so surprised, but I actually do this look when I go to the gym minus the eyelashes. Guys, if you want to learn how to create this look, then please continue watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this first. I like to have a little tint before I start doing my makeup. And also, don't mind the voice I have right now. I did come back from the lake and I got like a little cold, a little like congestion going on, so yeah, do not mind that. I feel like whenever I go out to places like that, my immune system just gets so low. It's not good, I know, but I do have my vitamin C with me. I like drink it religiously all the time. You guys, I was worse the first day, so I'm feeling so much better to film. I feel like I need to film because then it's just like, what am I doing, you know? Have a little bit of anxiety if I'm not doing something, even though I'm like sick and like dying. I don't know, I feel like that's the Capricorn in me. So I already prepped my eyebrows. They're looking pretty good. I do need to trim them because they are getting a little longer, and I don't get my brows done. I feel like I do them myself, but I don't grow hair around like I used to. I don't know why, but in today's video, sorry about the rant, but in today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of a summer glow skin. I have my own little routine and I want to show you guys what I mean by pictures because I feel like I always post them on Instagram. This right here, it's so pretty. Can you guys see that? Oh, this too. This is so pretty. It's like my summer glow because I always get complimented all the time. Like recently I've been liking this NU Saint Laurent. I think it's a glow balm. I've been putting it on. I just don't know. Yeah, it's a face priming moisturizer with shea butter. So I feel like these two are very identical. The MAC Studio Radiance Silky Primer, and then these are very similar, like the texture, I would think. Let's start by prepping the skin. I'm gonna take this here. Yeah, normally I would use the MAC Studio Radiance, but since I'm running out, well, I ran out, I'm not gonna use that right now. I know I just recently did like a flawless base routine, which is kind of similar to this, but I am using like less product here, like less foundation, more glowiness. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my eye balm. It's very, very nice before applying any product under my eye. It feels really like cooling, and yeah, I love it. The sprays matter so much to me because I feel like it does add like a layer of protection, not protection, but a layer of a blanket, like a security blanket. Okay, yeah, protection, yeah, for my base. So let me just spray this on. I do like 2 sprays each side, and then I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my e.l.f. Halo Glow like liquid filters. I use the shade 04, which is like my perfect match. So I use this on the outer perimeters of my face. Oh, sorry, I'm like super moquienta. After that trip, I just collapsed. And then I'm gonna take 02, and I'm just gonna apply this kind of like on the cheeks like this. Right here, down the nose. I'm gonna take this Smith brush. This is the 151 brush, and I'm just gonna kind of stippling this kind of just everywhere. You see how it adds just a glowy, flawless filter, but this brush here just sheds on me like crazy. Now I'm going to take a sponge and blend any harsh line. One of you guys said that you like my setup right now, so I'm just going to keep doing this on my last video. So yeah, I'm just going to keep doing it until I'm tired of it, but so far I got positive feedback. So now that we have this beautiful glowy canvas, we're gonna go ahead and apply our base, but I'm not gonna apply a base, I'm just gonna apply some concealer. For my base, I'm gonna apply this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm not gonna apply it all over. I'm just gonna take it here underneath my eye, and I'm gonna take the smallest amount. It's probably not small for you guys. As a full coverage queen, this is a little bit for me, so bear with me. I take it anywhere where I have like manchitas, dark circles, pimple coming up, and I take a little bit on the forehead like that. This might seem a lot for you guys, but it's a little bit for me, trust me. Like, I'm trying not to go crazy with my concealer, but I am learning how to just use a little bit of product. You know, sometimes we don't need it. Sometimes a full coverage queen does not need a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out now, and I do blend it out with a sponge. I feel like it also kind of takes away a little bit of the product. Alright, so to highlight, I'm going to take this Dermablend Cover Care Concealer. This has been my everyday concealer whenever I am doing, you know, the everyday makeup. Time to blend. So now for bronzer, I'm going to take this very pretty like sheer bronzer, which is the Saie Tan Bronze. I really like this one because it's, like I said, it's very not sheer, but it's not full coverage also. It's like in between. It's really, really pretty. Look at that. It's just broad back. So now I'm gonna bring back color because I look kind of scary. I'll be taking the Sheglam blush. This is in the shade Swipe Right. Taking this brush here from Morphe. And then I will take the Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veils. This is in the shade Rose Crush. Such a pretty pink shade. I quickly became obsessed with for my everyday blush. And now I'm taking my sponge and just blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'm also going to bake. So now we are going to set the face with my One Size powder. While I'm baking, I'm also going to take a little bit of bronzer. Just to bronze up a little more. And we have not set the eyelids just yet. I'm going to do that with a different brush. Just going to take the sponge and getting rid of any creases we have. And then taking the powder and just applying this on the lid. Alright, for blush, I'll be taking the ColourPop Pitaya blush. Be careful with these blushes, they're so So once we're done with that, I go ahead and bake a little more. And then for eyeshadow, honestly, I just take any like regular orange transition. I'm sorry if I'm using this palette, but it's honestly great. It's the KKW Beauty Honey palette. I was so lucky enough to get my hands on it because it was like a limited edition collection, and I bought majority of all her collection. I think I did buy all her, yeah, I bought all of the entire collection and I'm obsessed. I just love this palette here. I hope to bring it back. I hope KKW comes back because she did have really good products. And it's crazy because I actually don't follow the Kardashians anymore. Just personal reasons. Yeah, I stopped following them like a year ago, I think. I just know that Kim Kardashian comes out with bomb products and she never disappoints. Like, I give her credit for that, but I only follow Kylie. Anyways, that's pretty much everything I do with my eyeshadow. I don't put anything on, but if I do want something like a little more, I take just a regular brown eyeshadow and I do like a little winged eyeliner moment. For eyelashes, I actually love taking my Ardell foaming lashes. These are the 811 and I just got a new pair, so I think I'm gonna wait for them. I'm kind of like that girl, like I need somewhere to be to use new lashes. So I'm gonna take my lash . So these are it here. Aren't they like so pretty? They're my favorite at the moment. When I see them at TJ Maxx, I'm just like, oh, in my cart. All right, so for the inner corner, I'm gonna take a matte eyeshadow. And you guys, I was having such like I uploaded a TikTok. I don't know if you could say explaining, whatever, like it was just the whole, like, you guys need to see, we'll see the comments, but I don't pay attention to drama. So yeah, it was like, don't do shimmer, do this instead. That's what I said in my TikTok, and oh my god, para que, like, all of these girls were just like saying, do what, and I know I didn't explain, but on the cover I put matte inner corner. I don't know how to, I don't know, but it was a shit show down there, you guys. It was a shit show. You guys were just coming at me like, what, do what instead. I was pretty much just showing it rather than telling it, if that makes sense, or like explaining it. Like, I showed it more than, which I should have explained verbally, because other, like, looks like you guys don't fucking understand. Some of you don't understand. But so last but not least, I'll take my Jaclyn Hill Face palette. This is in shade light to medium. A little bit of all the powders and just kind of press this on. So for lips, I'm gonna take my Travis lip liner. Favorite lipstick, which I can't find, so I just think I'm gonna take this pink Flamingo lip gloss from Sheglam. Oh, it's so pretty. Like this. Yeah, you guys, that is it. I'm just gonna spray some of my Morphe Continuous Spray. yeah, this is it for the look. Oh my god, I almost forgot highlight. What, you guys? I never forget my highlight. Just a little teensy bit. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my summer glowy look right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. I'll have all the products down below for y'all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.